Iron. A strong, hard magnetic metal used for making tools and structures. The bridge is made of iron. He has an iron gate at his house. They used iron to build the railway. The blacksmith works with iron. She bought an iron pot for cooking.